your Serenity Rose, and we are back with another video. As you guys can tell by the title, I'm going to be doing like a first impressions review on these lashes. I just got them in the mail, so if you're interested in how these lashes wear or whatnot, then just keep on watching. Okay, so I just got these in mail, and the brand reached out to me and asked me if I wanted to try them, and I said of course. So I'm not sure if it's called Dysilk or Dysilk. This is what the packaging looks like, and this is the 5-pair package. It comes in a 3-pair as well. Also, excuse my nails, they're looking a bit rough, but it comes in this nice pretty blue box with plastic over it, and you can get these on Amazon. And for 5 pairs, I think it was $6.99. I'm gonna like insert like a side clip somewhere of, you know, all the information and the actual like web page. It was on Amazon, if I didn't say that already, but this is what it looks like. And then you just pull the cardboard out like so, and it comes with 5 pairs. And I love the inside packaging. It has like glitter in the background, and it is super cute. Okay, so I did drop some, so be careful not to tilt it too much forward because these individual like cases come out that's holding the lashes. But super cute packaging, love them. They're super like wispy, so I'm gonna take one out and show you guys like up close. These are my type of lash. I love a dramatic lash, but I also love a lash that isn't too full but looks super spiky. So I'm gonna use the Airway Super Strip Lash Adhesive to apply it. And yeah, I'm super out of breath because I just ran downstairs to pick up my package from FedEx, which is my new phone. But let's get to the application process. There was lipstick on my teeth, delete that last part. So let's just get on to the application process. So to take them off, I just press my thumb and like softly pull them off to, you know, prevent any breaking. And then it just comes right off. And then I'm gonna size them before I apply any glue. I'm not cutting anything off. I love a full lash. Okay, so this is one lash on, and these are super cute. Like, I have to bend them back a bit, but I like them. They're super cute and like wispy. So I'm gonna apply the other one off camera and then I'll be right back. Okay, so I have both lashes on, and they're super like cute. They don't have a crazy curl to them, but they add something really nice to the look. These are the perfect lashes for when you do like a dramatic eyeshadow look and you want the eyeshadow look to stand out and not be like overthrown by the lashes. So I think these are really cute. The band isn't uncomfortable. It was easy to apply. The band isn't crazy thick and it's not super thin, but I actually really love them, and I'm so happy to have them in my collection, and I'm so grateful for the company for reaching out and asking if I wanted to try them. So yeah, I really like them, and I highly doubt they won't lift because this lash glue is bomb. So if you're interested, I will try to leave a link down below in my description bar. But here's a close-up of the lashes. love them so much. Also, when you order them off of Amazon, they do look a bit intense online. When I opened them, I realized they weren't that intense, but on the eye they look beautiful. So don't be like overwhelmed when you see the like actual picture. They don't really match. But yeah, that's probably my only con as well. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, drop a thumbs up. Comment down below what you think of these lashes, if you're gonna buy them or not. They're super affordable for a 5 pair, only $7. Super, super great deal. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button before you guys go to join the Rose family, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!